Hi everybody, this is Madeline from Crofton, Maryland. I'm excited about this class. This is my second class in the program. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about how I got into wanting to do this degree. I'm currently in the Navy as a photojournalism instructor. I've been in for 12 years now. So in my travels as a photographer for the Navy, I continued to learn that I really enjoyed interacting and talking with the people that I was photographing. And through those interactions with people, I learned that there was a lot of struggle and stress and strain on people and their families back home. People just seemed to open up to me about their relationship problems or whatever it was that they were going through. And I could just relate to them, and I just felt like there was a need for an outlet for people. So that, along with growing up in a family where my younger sister was bipolar and dealing with that, kind of led me to, researching human behavior and wanting to understand the different mental illnesses that people deal with and that families deal with. So here I am in the program with you guys, and I'm excited to get to know you more, and I can't wait to see where we go in the next few years. So talk to you guys in class. Bye.